So today we are gonna make an envelope. I'm using a small sheet of paper. We're gonna make it like this. So I'm using a small piece of paper because my letter paper is small. So let's begin. So first you fold the paper entirely half. And then you put the letter inside. Then you open and then you see two line and then you pick one of them and then you put the letter in one of them, shut it, and then you see an opening. You open it and there's an excess part. Fold the excess part. Make sure you don't fold your letter, otherwise the letter will be ruined. And then get a glue stick. Don't use hot glue because if you're keeping it in a bag or something, your bag will get all soggy or sticky. And then it wouldn't. And then when you take it, your hand will get all sticky. And then you get the excess part. We do the same thing to the other side. We get the excess part, fold it in half, and then you glue it. Make sure none of the glue gets in your table, otherwise the envelope will be ruined. And then stick it together, and then use your small gap. Put glue inside it so it sticks to the bottom part of the gap. And then you glue the other gaps. And then here's your envelope. For this is the front side where there's this and these. Which had the gaps problem. And this is the black side where we didn't have any problem. So like a paper, this has something means the front side, and the back side means there's nothing. And then there's a small opening to keep your letter. And enjoy! Goodbye!